What's up, guys? Today we are going to clean the old gaming setup. Keyboard is nasty. Not nasty, it's just dusty and crummy. Wipe down the monitor, clean the desk, and redo cable management. Not fully, but enough to make it look nice and clean again. Let's hop into it. Take some unknown items, like this Gatorade bottle, and a mask, and some glasses. Whatever you have on your desk, just clean it up. Even if it's garbage, throw it away. Microphone and just twist it away. Everything's complete. I will take my headphones away and unplug them, but you don't have to do it because they're headphones. Today we are going to use disinfecting wipes to wipe down the whole place, get crumbs and stuff off. This is a keycap remover tool to clean my keyboard, which I'm going to do first. And here's the bowl to clean the keycaps in. I usually soak it for about 10 minutes in soap and water. Alright, this is my K63 keyboard. Or K60, I have no idea. We're just going to set the bowl on the mouse pad like this. You can use this, or I use my fingers because the Cherry MX is kind of easy to take keys off. You can already see that brown things. Those are dust, hair, and more disgusting things. Alright, we took all the keycaps out of the keyboard besides the middle space. Or the space key. Got my vacuum cleaner. I'm gonna silence this next part because it's gonna be loud. So I'm gonna turn it on. Yep. Okay, as you can see, I'm just in my bathroom. The sink, soap, and lotion. I got my bowl of keys, nothing's in it yet. You can take whatever soap you want. I'm personally just gonna take the soap in my sink. It smells like vanilla. Don't know why. My sister thought she would like it. That's why. I'm just looking for other stuff. I'm just gonna let this sit for 2 minutes to get all the dirt and stuff float at the top. So I'm just gonna do like I'm gonna do 3 pumps of soap in here. You can see, put it under. You can do it in a glass too, but personally I like it in a bowl. I fill it up to, the top. And I just let this bowl of bubbles sit there. Alright, it's been 2 minutes and I put the camera to the side so I can access the sink. This is the bowl of keycaps. I'm just going to set it in the sink. You don't have to do this, but in case the bowl spills in soap. After you do that a couple times, you can get out your brushing tool or your towel. I personally use a toothbrush, like I said before. But you can also use a towel, like rub it, put it around your finger and just rub it like this, but I like the brush because it gets all the sides. So I have finished cleaning all the keycaps. As you can see, the bowl is empty. And the keys are right here. They're still wet. That's why I put them on a towel. So right now we're just gonna rinse them off. Alright, we're done washing and drying the key. Alright, I got the keys back on, and now it's time to whip out the wipes and just wipe everything down. There's no chunks over here, so you don't have to worry about that. glasses cleaner. I totally forgot what this is. I'm so stupid. Sorry. I forgot what this is called, but you wipe it on your glasses and it gets clean, so you know what that is. You probably have circles around the monitor like this. And don't use a towel to dry it. Let it dry on its own. This cable is my mouse's because it needs slack. And the other cables I ran under the mouse pad under the PC here. So, and this cable is not real here usually. It's a phone charge management. Simple painter's tape, like blue tape. You can tape it to the underside of your desk and it'll look at that much better. If you don't have that much money to buy something nice, just make it look as nice as possible. In cleaning it in cable management, it's cheap. It's not thousands of dollars like the new graphics cards. It just makes your setup look so much better. And if you maintain it, which is also not expensive at all, that's one of the features that you can control. That's not like an expensive keyboard, mouse, or computer for that matter. Just keep it clean and it'll be that much better, guys. I see setups that are terrible with terrible cable management, but if they just cleaned it up and did cable management, it could be so much better, even if the stuff is so cheap and bad. But yeah, this is me cleaning my gaming setup. You can also wipe down your mouse with the wipe. And inside your PC, you can do the filter. On the bottom of my PC, I'll just show you right here. Behind it, there is a dust filter. It's kind of hard to get out. You just slide it to the back. And there's always a filter. This is my filter. I cleaned it out a while ago. You can see there's still some dust in it. Just run it underwater and it'll be clean. This filter was on the back of my power supply. You can see how it's collected dust. Just clean that and clean inside your PC whenever you're doing this. I cleaned my PC the other day. This was just a desk video. But just clean everything. I showed you how to clean the monitor, the keycaps, and wipe down the mouse pad and the mouse. Your headphones, you can take the ear combs out. You can take these out. You can clean the inside of this so there's no dust in here. But yeah, that's all. See you guys next time. I'm Lemon Lucas D. See ya.